fresh out of the oven, a round pie sits waiting to be eaten. Your senses are overtaken by melted cheese and tomato sauce. It's none other than pizza. So for today's video, we will try to find out who invented pizza. If you don't want to miss the answer, stick around. If you are new around here, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, so you do not miss any of our new videos. Also, feel free to follow us on social media, links in the description box down below. So where did this much-loved food come from? We often associate pizza with Italian food, but do the Italians get the credit? Well, different historians have different ideas, but a lot depends on how you define pizza. Do you think of pizza as a flatbread, cooked in an oven? If so, its roots go back to ancient times in the Middle East. The ancient Babylonians and Egyptians all ate flatbread baked in mud ovens. Do you think a pizza has to have toppings? In that case, it dates back to the ancient Greeks and Romans. They both ate baked flatbreads, topped with olive oil and spices. What about the pizza most are familiar with? You know, the kind with tomato sauce, cheese, and toppings? Well, that did start in Italy. Specifically, baker Raffaele Esposito from Naples is often given credit for making the first such pizza pie. Historians note, however, that street vendors in Naples sold flatbreads with toppings for many years before then. Italian immigrants brought pizza with them to Spain, France, England, and the United States. It didn't gain popularity until after World War II. Though, that's when returning soldiers looked for the food they had grown to love while fighting overseas. Leading us to today, where pizza is one of the most popular foods in the United States and, indeed, around the world.